For this 3-hour maritime event, stay tuned now to Dive.
On June 4th, 1944, the U.S. Navy pulled off an amazing feat. They captured one of Hitler's feared U-boats.
The planes were coming in, calling us, "Frenchie, how do you hear me? How do you hear me? I have sub in sight."
There was this sub on the surface of the water. Word was passed, report to the captain on the bridge immediately. He said, "I want that ship."
And they were shooting at the boat. I gave the order. Everybody out of the boat, sinks the boat.
And as we were going towards the sub, we were passing German sailors that were abandoning the sub. And as we were going by, they would say, "Save me, comrade."
If anybody talks about this, there will be no court-martial. We'll just shoot you at sunrise.
We felt the top secret material would be booby-trapped, and we didn't know. Anything we touch might blow up.
Once aboard the U-505, American sailors would find a gold mine of German intelligence information, and that would hasten the end of the mighty U-boat empire.